feel like I'm taking the biggest risk not filming in slow motion, but thank you to my homeboy, you to you, Michael Clacker. I love you, bro. He let me borrow his A7 IV, a 35mm lens, and I've also got a 16-28. I'm definitely gonna have some fun with that, but a lot of the focus for today is just getting good composition. Just trying to keep the bottom 1/3 line through the middle of the wheels for most of these 3/4 shots. And I'm trying to remember to adjust the f-stop for like detail shots so I don't catch a whole bunch of stuff out of focus. I'm not gonna lie, my arm's already killing me. I think this looks like a good car to test out little rolly on, so let's break him out and see what we can do. The idea behind this is to get these nice slow moving detail shots with a consistent height, which can be really difficult to do by hand. I have no idea if any of this is working. Man, I must look so goofy down here. Yeah, I got it, bro. $30, man. Look at this.
He was like, oh, is that Andrew? It's like, yeah, that's him. It's like, but he bought this fucking rolling thing. I reckon you can use it.
Yeah, I think it's doable. Yeah. Okay, rolly stays on. That's the verdict. Hey, before you head off, you want to do a quick pose in front of the car when I get a shot? That's sick, bro. That's fucking sick. I had to do it. I'm like, bro, I gotta get him to do it. I'm keen to try this out on this car. This is like the perfect car for a little roller here. So I see a lot of people, they struggle with gimbal shots, and it's because you're moving independently from the gimbal when you need to move as one unit. Take this little rolling thing, for example. Everything moves as one, so it's more steady. How do you do that for yourself? Well, walk in an arc. Instead of walking up to the car and rotating it and walking straight, you want to walk in an arc and use your whole body to rotate the gimbal, so it's done properly. Hopefully I can get it right here, but you'll get the idea. So the gimbal's going to rotate because I'm rotating when I walk. That's pretty much it. Visualize an arc that you've got to walk on, and you'll get a lot better and more consistent, natural cinematic shots. Wasn't that a mouthful? I like how the light streaks down the car. I can see my reflection, that's the worst. So you always got to look for the reflections in cars. That's why I tend not to use a polarizer anymore. I'm going to take the ND filter off, run it F11, and I want to try and get all this in focus here. Oh, this is going to be hard. That's such a hard shot to try and get that movement right on. I feel like such a doofus bent over in public like this, but the shots are going to be so worth it. Oh no, it's upside down again. Nope, I'm fighting the gimbal. Again. Oh, forearm workout of the century. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate it. Legend. I'm trying to get that gear stick with the shadow. Looks cool. This is going to be a slow movement, but a cool shot. Can I get a full shot of this car here? This will be hard. Wait for it. like fishing, right? Just gotta wait for your spot and reel in. Just in time. Whew. Damn it. It's so fucking... Oh, it's cod timing. It's cod timing all this. All of this. Okay, let's get this full shot while I still can. Is it right if I go back there to grab some shots? Yeah. Oh, that'd actually be pretty sick at the other side, yeah. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Trying to get the branding in there as well. That's all good, man. Awesome. Thanks for that. Cheers. It should be, yeah. Thanks for that, man. Appreciate it. Legend. See, I want to film this badge, and it's either I shoot up here or up there. And I'm picking this direction, one, because more light, but two, there's a lot of depth in the background. Everything's further away. So it should look really trippy with a slow movement, but the background should move really fast. This is why I need a monitor. Can't tell what's in the shot and what's not. I assume it looks cool. Man, this car's got too much potential to get some good shots here, so. Look at the seats in this thing, holy. So I'm gonna alternate shots a bit. That's how you get the most variety. Okay, cool. Gimbal's doing trick shots. So I want to do like a double shot where you're getting a wide shot and then just going straight into detail. I should call that a medium shot at least anyway. I really want to get some of this carbon. So much carbon. I'm gonna get a really clean surface and just shoot up. Since the badge is here. Come on, Rolly, what do you got? I wanted to go for maybe the lights. Oh, this looks tough. I think that's enough, man. That was sick. It was good. I feel like this is the right car to get real low to the ground, considering. You reckon I could get a shot of the wheels going down from down low? Yeah, sick, ready when you are, man. Perfect, man. Legend, thank you. What's your name?
Wait.
Wait? Do you have Instagram?
Yes.
I'll do this now because I did this last year and bro, I forgot. Every single person I was talking to. Good stuff, man. Cheers.
Cheers, right?
Awesome. Thank you. I don't know if any of this is going to look good. Yo! How you doing? Oh, it's good to see you, man.
Likewise, how are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. My arms are killing me. My GoPro batteries are dying, but we're living.
How's that working?
It's sick, bro. It's so good. Yeah, like get right up close to the wheels and shit.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll see you boys. Catch you, bro. So we're going to go up, around here, down, behind the TV, and hopefully hit that front wheel. My arms are actually dead trying to hold this thing out horizontally. So we're gonna try and change the setup. So we'll just switch this around. This is the setup I usually roll with, like underhand. Oh, you're good, bro, you're good. You know the pain, but it's like fishing. It really is. It has to be my favorite spot on a GTR with that Z-Tune kit. It is so fucking nice. Holy. Okay. Let's spend some time here. Can you do the LEDs only? Yeah, that's it. Nice. Yeah, because I'm trying to get 1, 2, 3 and the logo in one shot. So it should look good.